Having learned all the basics in modular arithmetic, now let's learn how to apply these basics and everything we've learned about modular arithmetic in our daily activities. And here is an example. Ade's mom goes to the market every market day, and the market day is counted every 5 days. If she went to the market on Tuesday, when next is she going to the market? Solution. Whenever you have a word problem, the first thing is try to figure out what you were given and what we are told to find. The information we were given is every market day comes in 5 days. Then the other information we were given is she went to the market on Tuesday and every 5 days. Those are the informations we were given. And we are told to find when next she'll be going to the market. That is, which day of the week again is she going to the market again. Now here, you need to list out the days of the week. We have Monday representing M, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday comes there. So let's signify this as SA. So I'm going to list this out as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that we'll be able to work in mode 7 since we only have digits 0 to 6. I know for any mode we are working with, the only numbers that will be used are 0 to n-1. And here we are having 6. So when we had 1 to this, that means we are working with mode 7. So here we'll have mode 7. Now, she went to the market on Tuesday. Tuesday is going to represent 2. So next market day, that will give us the value we have for Tuesday, 2, plus how many days interval do we have? 5 days. Then we evaluate this in mode 7. Since the days of the week, we have 7 in number. So here we have 7 in mode 7. To change this to mode 7, we divide by 7 and pick out the remainder. When we divide 7 by 7, that gives us 1 remainder, 0. So that means this is equivalent to 0 in mode 7. And 0 here signifies Sunday. So therefore, at this moment, we will be going to the market again on Sunday. But if you want to check out using your calendar, she went to the market on Tuesday, and every market day is 5 days. We want to find out the next market day, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Sunday, and we'll be able to solve it same way using modular arithmetic. Thank you.